It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high.
Okay, so it's Teacher Appreciation Week, and I'm gonna make some cookies for the teachers at Aiden's preschool. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because they take a lot of time to edit, so it's just nice to see that they're appreciated and that you guys really enjoyed them. All right, so I'm just gonna get, look how beautiful that is, beautiful. We're gonna pipe these. I'll let you guys actually see what's going on down there. All right, so we're just gonna pipe the outline.
Cause we so fly, yeah, wings of gold. We touch the sky, bad bitches till we die. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many. Smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party. Dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snug.
Oh, we look so good.
Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so fly, yeah, wings of gold. We touch the sky, bad bitches till we die. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so we look fine tonight. Looking fly tonight. We look fine tonight. We so
Never roll back, I won't go back. Don't wanna waste time with you. Wanted you so bad, didn't hold back. And now I can't forget you. You've got me climbing mountains in my head. Tell me all the little things you never said. And it's clear to see your love for me is dead. And I want you to know I'ma let you go. What you said to me before, now I know that you know limits of you. Sort of feels like we lost what we knew, and I don't wanna last in these moments with you. Like I'm just a past life for you. I'm just I'm just a past life for you. Not willing to play the fool, need you to cut me loose, yeah. All of the time I spent, wasted it all for you, yeah. You never had the commitment, lied to my face when you said you were different. I know who you really are, you sold me a dream and you tore it apart.
Okay, so I don't really want to empty this itty bitty bag out just for like 7 little erasers. So I'm gonna like use this and make it textured instead.
Let you go, what you said to me before. Now I know that you know limits of you. Sort of feels like we lost what we knew, and I
ahead and got an orange for the glue top, a thicker yellow, and a thinner yellow. So we're gonna do all the yellows, and then I think the only other thing I'll have to do is like a little green and a brown for the stems for the pumpkins. Everything else we're gonna work with colored markers. So royal icing will separate, and it doesn't take very long. So when it sits, all the liquid will start separating from the egg white mixture. So just be sure that if you have it hanging around, that you move it around.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk.
For your leaf, make your icing a thick toothpaste consistency, so when you push the icing around, it stays in its position. If you're using a tipless bag and you want to get the leaf that I'm going to be making, flip your bag on its side so that the back seam is facing towards you. Then use your scissors to cut an A into the bag, and this will force the icing to come out like a leaf.